For some of the grass that I dug up, I left it in a pile here, and I was going to cover it and let it rot down and then use it later as a mulch or in some other way in the garden. But I've changed my mind. So I've planted a hedge here, some of which is going to be a buddleia hedge, which would be great for butterflies. And I've decided, there's a first time for everything, to plant this with nettles. So I found some nettles along the roadside and I planted them in here. Nettles are great for wildlife. Butterflies lay their eggs in a nettle patch, and then the nettles are food for the caterpillars. Nettles are also really good for aphids, and if there's aphids, there's ladybirds that will feed on them, and blue tits too. So get planting some nettles.